Hello everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick command tip on how you can create an open house registration sign-in sheet and then have a QR code that people can scan when they get to the open house to sign in on your landing page, and their information will go right into your database in Command. Okay, let me show you how. In Command, we're going to go all the way to the very bottom left, Consumer. And once we are in Consumer, we're going to go up to Create a New Page in blue at the top right. And then this is going to be a standalone page, landing page. So you'll select that, Create Page. So first thing you always want to do is name your landing page. So I'm just going to say 123 Main Street. Let's pretend that that is the listing, okay? Then what you'll do, I always recommend doing the branded header just because it looks really nice. And secondly, we're going to click and drag the lead form over. And then we're going to click and drag listing, okay? And put that below the lead form. And then lastly, we're going to end it with legal footer. So click it and drag it and drop it down here. So once you have everything on here, these are all the widgets we're going to use for this landing page. How we personalize it is we click Configure Widgets. Then you'll see there's green check marks next to any that are complete. However, to go through it, just to make sure everything is how you want it, just click on the number 1. For header text, I recommend saying, "Welcome to the open house," exclamation mark. Just double check all your information is correct here. Then click Save and Apply. And then you'll click the arrow at the top right. Now we're on page 2. And what we're going to put here is prior to entry, please register here. Thanks. Save and apply, and that'll be right here. Then you click the arrow at the top right. Now we're going to select the listing. So whatever address you're at for that listing, you will click select. You can always search up here in this search bar right here. I'm just going to pretend that this is 123 Main Street. You can also change the photos here. If there's more than one photo, you can change it from here. Then save and apply. And that's going to update all of that information about the listing. And then lastly, click the arrow for number 4. Just double check all that's correct. And it should be because everything's updated in your marketing profile. Save and apply. And now everything is ready to go. From here, you'll click Publish Page and yes, update it. So now you're going to be brought back to this screen. When you click on landing pages at the top in the middle here, you'll see 123 Main Street is right here. This is the URL, which is the link to get to that landing page. Here's what it looks like when I click on it. Now what we're going to do is we are going to create a QR code. So that way you can easily create the QR code, print it, hang it on the front door if you'd like. So that way people can easily scan it and it will take them right to this page so they can do it all from their phone as they come through the door. How you're going to do that, if you open a new tab, qrstuff.com. That will bring you here. Once you're on qrstuff.com, this is how to create your QR code. Under data type, you're going to leave it as website URL. And then under website URL here under content, you click there and you paste the link for your landing page here. Then we will change this to static. Okay. And then if you scroll down, you are able to change the color of your QR code. You just click on this little square next to color. and choose what color that you would like. Let's just say we want it green, then click choose. And you'll see all these turn green. I do recommend a transparent background and make sure the file type is ping. Once you've done all that, you'll see your code up here. You can click download QR code and no thanks. And then just close this. So you'll see that it has downloaded to my computer. And so from there, you can easily test this if you open up your camera right now, which I am doing. And then it's going to open right to that landing page that we created. All right, I have submitted a sign-in for this open house. So now let's see what happens in Command. When I refresh, you'll see under leads here, there's a 1, which means I have received 1 lead from this landing page from my open house. Then you'll also see up here, I have a new lead information captured. When I click that, it opens right up to where I have registered in here. Isn't that awesome? And so from there, you have their information in your database and you can add them right to a smart plan. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.